Hey crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wild world of Hamster Kombat, a project that's been making waves in the crypto community. If you've been tapping away on your phone, earning those adorable hamster coins, you're in for a treat. We're about to unpack how you could potentially score a $1,000 airdrop. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get into it. First things first. What's the deal with Hamster Kombat? It's this addictive tap-to-earn game on Telegram that's captured the attention of millions. You tap, you earn coins, and you dream of the day those coins turn into real cryptocurrency. Well, folks, that day might be closer than you think. Now, let's talk about the big news, the listing. Initially, the developers promised a May listing, but plans change, and now July is the target. Why is this important? Because with the listing comes the TGE. And by the way, guys, TGE means Token Generation Event. This is when our beloved hamster coins transform into actual, tradable cryptocurrency. It's like watching your pet hamster evolve into a majestic crypto hamster. But wait, there's more. Before the listing, there's a chance for an airdrop. For those new to the crypto scene, an airdrop is like finding money in your pocket that you didn't know was there. It's a distribution of free tokens or coins, usually to create buzz and reward early adopters. And in the case of Hamster Kombat, it could be worth up to $1,000 or even more. So, how do you make sure you're ready for this potential windfall? Let's break it down. And by the way, guys, when it comes to Hamster Kombat, I have made so far almost every possible guide in my YouTube channel. So literally, every question you might have, you can find the answer in one of my videos. Just look for the right one, and if not, then let me know in the comments down below and I will do my best in order to answer you questions. Now, let's break down the parts in order to be able to get that sweet $1,000 airdrop. 1. Connect your TON wallet. Hamster Kombat is built on the TON blockchain, which is Telegram's official cryptocurrency. You'll need a TON wallet to receive your airdrop. Don't have one? No worries. Just fire up the official Telegram wallet bot and create one. It's easier than teaching a hamster to run on a wheel. 2. Link your wallet to Hamster Kombat. Once you've got your TON wallet, head back to the Hamster Kombat bot and connect it. It's like introducing your pet hamster to its new home. Simple and straightforward. 3. Keep tapping and earning. The developers have hinted that. Your earnings per hour will be a factor in the airdrop distribution. So keep those fingers tapping. 4. Level up. Your league or level in the game might also play a role. Each league requires you to accumulate a certain amount on your main balance. For example, to reach the Master League, you need to earn 50 million coins at least once. Don't worry, you can spend them after and still keep your league status. It's like leveling up in a video game, but with potential real-world rewards. 5. Daily tasks are your friends. Don't ignore those daily combo sets and ciphers. They're like little hamster treats that could add up to a significant boost in your airdrop. 6. Invite friends. Referrals could be a golden ticket to a bigger airdrop. The more friends you bring to the Hamster Kombat party, the merrier and potentially more profitable it becomes. Now, let's address the elephant, or should I say the giant hamster, in the room. You might have heard whispers about a hamster token already available on some wallets. Here's the scoop. There's a token out there with the same name, but it's not affiliated with our beloved Hamster Kombat. It's like a hamster doppelganger. Similar in name, but not the real deal. Don't be fooled. Speaking of the real deal, let's talk numbers. While we don't know the exact rate our Hamster Kombat coins will have after listing, we can dream a little. Imagine if each coin was worth 0.004 cents. With a passive income of 1.3 million coins per hour, you'd be looking at over $500 worth of coins. Now that's just speculation, but it gives us something to look forward to, right? Here's something that's not speculation: the token distribution plan. A leaked table shows that about 76% of the total supply, that's 7.6 billion out of 10 billion tokens, will go to the community. That's us, folks. It's like the developers are throwing a massive hamster party, and we're all invited. Now, before you get too excited and start planning how to spend your potential crypto fortune, let's keep our feet on the ground, unlike our wheeling hamster friends. The crypto world is as unpredictable as a hamster in a maze. Things change, plans shift, and what looks promising today might look different tomorrow. So you need to stay informed about any updates from the official Hamster Kombat channels. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay cautious. Don't fall for scams or fake tokens, no matter how tempting they might seem. As we wrap up this hamster wheel of information, let's recap. Hamster Kombat is gearing up for a potential July listing, with a juicy airdrop possibility on the horizon. By following the steps we've outlined, you're putting yourself in the best position to potentially benefit from this exciting development. So what are you waiting for? Get your Ton wallet set up, connect it to Hamster Kombat, and keep those hamster wheels spinning. Who knows? You might just be one of the lucky ones to score that $1,000 airdrop. And hey, even if the airdrop doesn't materialize exactly as we hope, remember, you're part of an exciting, innovative project that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the crypto world. That's worth celebrating in itself. So, tap on, brave Hamster Kombat warriors. Your crypto adventure is just beginning, and it promises to be one wild ride. Will you be ready when the airdrop comes? The power is in your hands, and your taps. Until next time, keep those hamsters running and those dreams of crypto riches alive. Who knows? The next big thing in crypto might just be a cute, furry little hamster. Stay tuned, stay tapping, and may the crypto gods smile upon your Hamster Kombat journey.